everyone, this is Barbara Hernandez with Remax One, and today we're hosting an open house at 24 Blacksmith Drive in Ledyard, Connecticut. This beautiful raised ranch has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and it has a new roof, it has mini splits, it has new windows. You know what? As a matter of fact, just come take a look. Let's check this out.
I can hear the sound, I can hear the beat. I can feel the bass, I can feel the heat.